In today's video, I'll show you how to construct a bag using leather and fabric lining. This project is done without using any paper pattern. All measurements are drawn directly onto the fabric and leather before cutting. For this tutorial, you'll need leather, lining fabric, fabric chalk or marker, measuring scale, scissors, sewing machine, matching thread. Let's begin with the cutting process. Start by placing the leather flat with the wrong side facing up. Using chalk and a ruler, draw a rectangle measuring 46 cm by 26 cm. From the top edge, measure 4 cm inwards to define the strap width. From this point, draw a smooth curved line towards to create the arm opening shape. The total height of the shape is 48 centimeters and the depth of the curve is 26 centimeters. Once the shape is drawn clearly, cut it out. Now using the same measurement, you can proceed in two ways. The one is cut 4 separate leather pieces, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. The second option is fold the leather fabric and cut on the fold. In this case, 1 piece for the front and 1 piece for the back. This method eliminates the center seam and reduces the number of panels from 4 to 2. You can choose either method depending on your fabric width and design preference. Now place the lining fabric flat. I have folded it into 4. Using the leather pieces as reference, draw the same shape directly onto the lining fabric. Again, you can choose 4 lining pieces, 2 for the front and 2 for the back, or 1 piece on fold for the front and 1 on fold for the back. Cut the lining pieces to match the leather exactly. Keep all pieces organized. For the straps, draw a rectangle measuring 9 cm in width, 35 cm in length. cut one single strap piece from leather. This strap will be folded and stitched without lining. Make sure you cut all the pieces and keep them organized so you don't get confused at the end. If you are using separate panels, take the two front leather pieces, place them right side together and stitch along the center seam. Repeat the same step for the back pieces. If you are using folded pieces, this step can be skipped. Next, place the front and back leather pieces right side together. Align the side bottom edges. Stitch both sides and the bottom edge, leaving the top open. To create the base shape, at each bottom corner, measure 6 cm from the corner on both sides. Mark the measurement. Fold the corner so the side seam align with the bottom seam. Stitch across the marked line. Repeat on the opposite side. This step forms the depth of the pieces. Now assemble the lining in the same way. If using separate panels, stitch the center seam first. Place the lining front and back pieces right side together. Stitch the side and bottom. Create the bottom depth using the same 6 cm measurement. Turn the leather piece right side out and keep the lining piece inside out. Insert the leather piece into the lining. Align the top edge and curved opening. Stitch all around the top opening. Leave a small opening of the lining for turning. Pull the entire piece out through the lining opening. Close the lining opening neatly and push the lining inside. Take the leather strap piece, fold it lengthwise with the right side facing each other. Stitch along one long edge. Turn the strap right side out and flatten it neatly. Top stitch along the edge if required. Attach the strap evenly on both sides at the top. Secure it with stitching. Top stitch around the opening to complete the construction. If you have any difficulties using machine stitch. Always hand sew it if required. Since the leather was so thick, I decided to hand sew the straps. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment what kind of fashion or sewing tutorial you'd like to see next. You can suggest construction techniques, accessories or any other fashion related topics. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.